Hello everyone, welcome to the next session of Argus Safety. As I'm already logged into the application, I'm showing you the path once again how to access the advanced conditions library. So once a user logs into Argus Safety, all the advanced conditions created in Argus Safety would be available in advanced condition library, provided that those advanced conditions are shared. It's only when these advanced conditions are shared, these advanced conditions would be available for other users to access the advanced conditions and verify the advanced condition query. So whatever advanced condition is created, everything would be available in this advanced condition library screen under utilities tab. And which all other places can we see these advanced conditions? Let me take you through that. In case actions open screen, we'll be having a AC button under case search criteria tab, case search criteria section. So when you click on AC, it would open a web page dialog asking whether to open a advanced condition query set, or whether the user wants to create an advanced condition query set or just an advanced condition. If you click on yes, a query set would be created. Query set is nothing but combination of advanced conditions. Means multiple advanced conditions could be clubbed together to create an advanced condition query set. When you click on no, an advanced condition would be created. A individual advanced condition would be created. I'll be showing you all those tasks aspects going ahead. This is one place where we see the advanced condition, creation of advanced condition, and work list new. Sorry, not in work list new. In this work list section, will not have this advanced conditions in new and open. So none of the places you have this work advanced conditions in work list, but we'll be having it in other places such as reports, case actions open as I've shown, and in other places where when it's required. So wherever an advanced condition is required, you'll be having this particular icon AC. So which helps the user to understand that we can provide an advanced condition and extract the cases which are meeting the advanced condition criteria. So now let's come to advanced condition, how to create an advanced condition or how to create an advanced condition query set. Even before that, I want to take you through a small description. Uh, Advanced condition. What are these advanced conditions? These are some complex or non-standard queries which are created to define a field level search criteria. So this field level search criteria would be created in Argus Safety database, and this queries which are created with a field level search criteria would extract the cases which are meeting this search criteria provided, and the cases which are meeting the search criteria would be extracted in Excel format. And this advanced condition library could be seen from this utilities drop down. That is what I was showing you over here. Utilities advanced condition library. And once you click on this, the advanced condition library screen would be displayed. And now coming to this advanced condition library, from this particular advanced condition library screen, we can create a new advanced condition. We can reassign an advanced condition. We can set advanced condition permission levels. We can modify an existing advanced condition. We can delete an advanced condition. We can print a list of advanced conditions. So this deletion of an advanced condition or deletion of advanced condition would be possible only when the user has the permission of deletion, and reassigning of an advanced condition would also be possible only for the user who has the access to reassign the advanced conditions. So let me take you through each and every task of displayed over here. So here you could see what all permissions we have. Reassign, permissions, new, modify, delete, and print list. So those are what available over here also. So let me select an advanced condition, check this checkbox. Then you will get to see the